As an MLC customer, you expect the best out of your software when it comes to customization, performance, and working with others. We significantly improved the user experience with SOLIDWORKS 2023. Communicating with your team is vital to success. A great way to do this is through the use of comments. With SOLIDWORKS 2023, you can emphasize text using the bold, italic, or underline modifiers. Adding a screenshot to a comment is just a click away. You can also add images from your local machine to give your comment even more context. In this case, we can also modify the background color to indicate red for a comment that's going to suggest that this is a safety issue. These labels can of course be customized to even add more clarity. If a comment is critical, you can set them to appear when the document is open. It's no secret that SOLIDWORKS has the most customizable interface of any CAD application. Have you customized too much? Or maybe you want a fresh start? You can now easily restore the default settings by using the Reset to Defaults that is found in each tab of the Command Manager or All Customizations. And of course, we must talk about performance. The render system released in 2019 to improve frame rates during pan, zoom, and rotate has been dramatically optimized. We listened to a lot of the feedback and resolved many of the issues, and now you'll have a greater reliability with the enhanced graphics performance options checked on, so that way you can realize faster frame rates when viewing large assemblies or parts with complex geometry. In this case, you can see the comparison side by side. Customizing the user interface, communicating effectively, and improving frame rates allows you and your team to speed through designs. Communicating with your team becomes even more effective when storing your data on the platform PDM 3D Experience software. All credential stakeholders have access to view content and can even make markups using any device with an internet connection. These markups are stored with the data and shared directly so that way the right person has access to the right data at the right time.